What's the meaning of consultation? Consultation. Consultation.
Consultation. Consultation. Consultation refers to the act of seeking advice or guidance from an expert in a particular field. It can be used in many different contexts, such as seeking legal advice, financial advice, medical advice, or business advice. The ultimate goal of a consultation is usually to gain insight, gather information, and make more informed decisions. In many cases, consultations are conducted through face-to-face meetings, phone calls, or online video calls. Overall, consultation is an important element in problem-solving, decision-making, and achieving success in various aspects of life.